Hello, I'm Matt and I'm from Mr. A Builders YouTube channel, and today we're representing Pro Builders magazine and their YouTube channel. Today we are going to have a look at Bondit's Mega Stik PU adhesive. So we've been sent this and we briefly have to cover some points where the usage of this has to be at room temperature. This also has to be shaken vigorously for a minimum of 30 seconds to attain the correct viscosity, and we will be demonstrating this shortly. Once applied, this Mega Stik adhesive can also be cut when it has hardened, preferably after 24 hours after usage. So from Bondit's recommendations, we need to shake this vigorously for 30 seconds to attain the correct viscosity for usage. I'm going to demonstrate what happens when you don't shake for 30 seconds and then show you what happens when we do shake for 30 seconds. Hello, so from a previous video and the use of Plasterers pre-grit, you can see that this has now been applied and cured for 24 hours, and the application and preparation for that is on a previous video if you'd like to see how that works. So we're here now to use the Mega Stik in conjunction with a plasterboard, and we're going to apply this board here. So we will apply this product now to the back of the board. See, we've got a nice even application, so we'll catch all the voids behind to attach it to the wall. As we apply this, we're just going to maintain some firm pressure to allow it to adhere to the backing surface, and a little tap and hold it in place. When we have the gaps, we can obviously use this product to fill those gaps, and as previously described, we can cut that off after 24 hours when it has completely cured. Now, with use of a straight edge, we will check that we have everything nice and in, and hold it there for the advised 5 minutes. So as you can see, following the application of the plasterboard using Bondit's Mega Stik, that is solid, rock solid. I would like to say a big thank you to everybody joining us today. Please subscribe to the Professional Builders Magazine YouTube channel, and if you'd like to follow the links below for all the products that we've done today. If you'd like to see more of myself and the team, please subscribe to Mr. A Builders channel, and apart from that, I will see you next time.